It's fork seal day. Again. This will be the second time for this one. But it's also been like, I don't know, 7 years, maybe longer, since it leaked last time. Finally decided to stop being a cheapskate and actually get a fork seal driver also. This one is adjustable and does multiple sizes, which is going to come in handy now because now this one has decided to start leaking on me also. I had these forks apart last year and I just did not feel like changing the seals because I'd already spent enough on this bike at the time, but now we've got another one starting to leak here. Gross. But again, these seals are probably 25 to 30 years old, so you know, they get a pass. We can deal with that. So, let's get this thing up, get going. That's a grand total of about 5 minutes worth of work. That's why I love working on these things as opposed to those. That's still fairly clean oil. That's good. Before I got too far into this too, I had to make sure I actually still had a seal left. Thankfully I do. I bought this damper rod tool, might as well use it. There's the seal, and I see the spring has came out of the lip of it. I'm not sure if I accidentally did that with the screwdriver just now, or if it was on its way out on its own. That would certainly explain the leaking. So if we're keeping track here, we've got dust seal, retainer, oil seal, washer, bushing, and the bushing that's mounted to the inner tube. And the tube itself looks good. Doesn't look like there's any real nicks or scratches causing the seal to leak. Alright, reassembly. I'm going to put a little bit of this electrical tape right around here, just so when you slide the new seals over it doesn't get caught on these sharp lips. Just what you want to see when you open what you think is your seal. 2 dust seals. Whoops. Luckily, still actually have an oil seal. Had to dig a little deeper. These bushings look great. They'll be getting reused. So let's try out the fancy new tool. That worked pretty well. That's the bushing. The seal should be no trouble at all. Piece of cake. Wow, I should have bought that a long time ago. So now I guess I gotta basically just go check the manual, double check how much oil goes back in here, and put it back together. Then it's time to ride, but it's gonna rain for days, so I guess that's it. I guess the lesson is stop putting off jobs that are not that difficult.